In Chemie 205, we follow some pretty strict formatting guidelines, some of which are pretty easy to follow. For example, the homework is done on engineering paper. It's stapled in the upper left-hand corner. As you do the problem, eventually when you get to the answer, you box your answer. Even if you finish the problem and there seems to be plenty of space on the rest of the sheet to start your next problem, you don't actually start the next problem until the top of the next page. You write on only one side of the paper, so as you can see, it's written on this side, the side without the grid, and you don't write on the side with the grid. So those are some of the pretty easy guidelines to follow. Now, where it gets confusing is mostly to do with the fold. So please fold your homework vertically, like this. And when the fold is on the left-hand side, as you're holding it in front of you, that's the side that you should write your name, the problem set number, and the instructor for your section. If you flip that around onto the other side, please write the numbers of the problems that are assigned. So in problem set 1, there are 8 problems assigned. And so write just down the left side of the paper when it's been folded vertically and you're on the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The reason for this is that eventually the graders are going to come along and give you a grade for each one of the homework problems. So for example, the grader is going to come along and write 7 out of 10 for the first one, 10 out of 10, etc. And then they're going to come along and they're going to assign their initials by each problem that they graded. In the end, eventually you're going to get grades for every single problem on here, and so you can just read down how much you've gotten on every single problem, and then in the end everything's going to be tallied up and your grade will be circled at the bottom. So please follow these homework formatting guidelines, and hopefully this video will be helpful for you to make sure that you don't miss any points on the first several homeworks.